Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be working on the Citroen. I have a subframe brace ready to go underneath the car. The car is on a set of wooden blocks, planks, however you want to call them, because the ride height is such that the trolley jack that I have does not fit under the car. The car is now sat on a pair of jack stands. Alright, let me do my utmost best to show you what I'm going to be doing today. This member here is held in place by these. I hope they come undone. I can see they're rusted already, so that is going to be an absolute chore to get those out. So much fun climbing underneath your car. This one will be coming out as well. I have to see what it bolts into so that I don't drop the subframe on my face. That would not be a fun afternoon. Likewise, that nut on that side is also going to be being dropped. Unpacking the subframe brace now. Looks pretty decent if you ask me. I like this touch. It's very, I don't know, I think it's really nice. With this bolt is I presume, scraped it on the ground once, twice. In doing so, I have shortened the face for the socket to attach onto. My own fault. Unknowingly, that's now slightly, not per se jeopardizing, but let's say hampering my progress. Alright, the old bar is off the car, and that rhymes. How convenient. My idea of undoing one side first and using that side as a lever to undo the seized, not seized, but less easy to undo nut has worked. Alright, check it out. For now, excuse the clatter. For now, I've just hung it on the points so that I can get an initial idea of how it'll fit. Yeah, I mean, so far, if I can I can't really do it easily, but you get the idea. It fits, there you go, perfect to the subframe. It's the right amount of clearance to these side parts here. Alright, that's in. I have to give UltraRacing massive compliment on how this finish is and how it looks. Excuse the bump. Once it's in the car, it's absolutely one structure.